Quality handyman services at affordable prices. Call us today. That post could belong to almost any business in almost any city, and it gives a homeowner no useful reason to stop scrolling. In this video, we'll use ChatGPT to turn verified service information into Google Business Profile posts that explain a real problem, demonstrate what your business actually does, and give local homeowners a clear next step. You'll get one reusable prompt, 4 post formats, and a checklist that prevents AI from inventing customer stories, guarantees, credentials, prices, or results. A useful local post usually has 4 ingredients. First, a problem homeowners recognize. Second, a service you genuinely provide. Third, one helpful detail that demonstrates judgment without giving unsafe instructions. Fourth, a low-pressure next step. For example, a door that begins rubbing or stops latching consistently may need an inspection before the right scope can be determined. Our handyman service evaluates accessible interior door and hardware concerns within our approved service area. Document when the problem started and whether it changes with the weather. Then contact us to discuss the appropriate next step. Verify every service and location before publishing. Do not begin with "Write me a handyman post." Give ChatGPT a verified input card. Include the post type, service area, homeowner problem, facts you can support, approved photo description, useful tip, and the contact action you want. Then add boundaries. Do not invent a job, customer, review, credential, guarantee, savings amount, price, diagnosis, response time, availability, warranty, or result. If you're describing completed work, separate the customer's original request, your approved scope, and the result you actually observed. A clean input card prevents most exaggerated drafts before they happen. Use this prompt. Write a Google Business Profile post for my handyman business using only the verified information below. Begin with a homeowner problem or useful local observation. Explain the relevant service in plain language, include one practical detail, and finish with a low-pressure next step. Keep it concise and easy to scan. Use my service area naturally, no more than once. Do not invent a customer, project, testimonial, review, price, savings, diagnosis, license, credential, guarantee, warranty, availability, response time, or result. Do not use claims the approved photo cannot support. Flag any missing information instead of guessing. Give me 3 versions with different hooks. Verified information. Suppose the weak draft says, "We handle all your home repair needs with the best service and prices in Springfield. Call now." Start by removing claims you cannot prove, all repairs, best service, and best prices. Replace them with something useful. Small home repairs often become harder to schedule when several unrelated items build up. Example handyman service helps homeowners in the Springfield service area review clearly defined punch list items, confirm the scope, and plan an appropriate visit. Before contacting a provider, make a short list, add photos where useful, and note which items are most urgent. Send the verified list through the confirmed contact method to discuss the next step. Specific beats exaggerated. Rotate 4 formats. A service explanation post answers what your business helps evaluate. A seasonal post connects a real service to timely homeowner planning. Without inventing weather damage or urgency, a completed job post uses approved photos and verified facts from an actual project. A maintenance awareness post helps homeowners notice symptoms and decide when to request an inspection. The formats keep your profile fresh without forcing you to invent news. Ask ChatGPT to preserve the same factual boundaries while changing the purpose opening line and call to action for each format. Local does not mean repeating the city name in every sentence. State the actual service area once when it helps the reader understand availability. Do not list neighborhoods you do not serve. Imply a physical office where one does not exist, or ask AI to stuff every nearby city into the post. A natural line such as, "Serving homeowners in the verified Springfield service area," is clearer than a paragraph of place names. Keep addresses, service areas, and business information consistent with the profile and your real operations. If the location details change, update the source information before creating more posts. Your photo should support the post, not simply decorate it. If the caption discusses an adjusted interior door, the approved photo should show a relevant part of that actual project or a clearly labeled educational example. Do not use a stock image and imply it is your completed work. Check for private documents, addresses, people, security devices, license plates, and reflections before publishing. Obtain the permission appropriate for your agreement, platform, and location. Then ask one final question. Which statements in this draft are not visibly supported by the photo or explicitly supported by my verified facts? You do not need a daily post factory. Try a sustainable routine, such as 2 useful posts per week. Keep a small approved content folder with service notes, completed job facts, permission status, photo descriptions, homeowner questions, and seasonal planning topics. Once a week, choose 2 items, ask ChatGPT for drafts, verify every claim, and publish only the strongest versions. Record what you posted so the next draft does not repeat the same hook. Review the live post afterward to confirm the photo, link formatting, and contact method displayed correctly. The full prompt and 4 post formats are in the description. Take your most generic recent post and run it through this process. Remove unsupported claims, add 1 useful detail, verify the location, and make the next step clear. Which Google post would be easiest for you to create this week? A service explanation, seasonal reminder, completed job, or maintenance awareness post? Tell me below. Subscribe to AI Work Crew for practical AI systems for local service businesses. Next, we'll use your real services, questions, and approved project media to plan 30 days of handyman content in about 20 minutes.